All right, happy homeowners. I'm being quiet. It's Sunday morning, March the 5th. Not even 8 o'clock yet. We're at an early start. Got a couple of little small rooms to do here in Fountain Valley. But COVID-19, these people said they've been waiting long enough. Get in here, get it done. So we're taking all the precautions, but just a small room downstairs. They want to make it natural like another room they had done a year ago, and then we're going to do a small area upstairs. Let's take a look at it. But it's going to be raining. Have to bring all the stuff in. Going to hang some plastic, but that's it. We're going to turn this reddish brown into the clear natural, and then we have an area upstairs. So going to be a huge transformation. Now remember, if morning Emilio.
Morning.
You guys have any questions, leave us the message, or if you want a copy of our book, The 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, leave it in the message and we'll get you a copy of that. Maybe a link online, download, whatever you need. All right guys, enjoy this Sunday. Be safe out there. Take care.